Hi guys, being on DWM, I added something to the pacman hook. Wow, if you don't know what a pacman hook is, let's see if I can find something online. Arch pacman hook. Pacman is your package manager, okay? So everything you can read about pacman, you read. All these pages and everything, because that's super important. Right? Pacman tips and tricks. Maybe if you're coming straight from Debian and all that, pacman Rosetta, super interesting. DNF, right, for Red Hat and Fedora, Debian, SLS, SLES, OpenSUSE, into things, handles, right, things to remember. Yeah, pacman apt yes, pacman confirm. So the translation basically. So pacman is important. Pacman hook, not sure if it's going to be in this page somewhere. You can create a hook to run this automatically, and then off it goes. And more mentioning about hooks, right? Now a hook is something that we put, well, you can put it in different places. We are gonna put it in pacman.d hooks. Everything that's from us, and often we put the name in front of it so we know it's from us. And this is specific for the bootloader choices, so no reference here, but it's also from us. Here we have an ArcoLinux DWM hook. What I've changed is added this line, operation install. What you may or may not know, DWM is something very special. It's a C language, written in C language, and it needs to be built. Now, when we update the package, when we give you a new code basically, then the operation for pacman it's an upgrade, it's an update or an upgrade. So if that happens on this package and on that package, then we're gonna run this thing, Control C. So this is the extra thing, which means, let's just check that. I'll show it and then go to the script there. So when you update things, and I've put a new thing online, then it's gonna do something green, and that's the point. The green bit is the pacman hook. So this is running the build in each syscall, because we need to boot up. We need to be, if you're using ArcoNet and you say you want DWM, you want to boot into something, right? You need desktop. So you need to build it. So this is our build, our configuration, and this one is going to look to your, in my case, home/eric/.config/ArcoDWM, and it's going to run your configuration, because maybe you've changed things, right? Design-wise, there are lots of videos on ArcoLinuxD.com. You've changed something. So this is your personal pacman DWM application, which is the thing I copy pasted. Let's see, let's do Velo. Velo is a part, if you typed the word development, the Velo is part of the word, and that gives me Sublime text. Well, actually can do this, Sublime, and I hope it's still there. Voila. So we have a script. So the hook launches. Let's see, the hook launches if we go for an upgrade of this package and an installation of this package, both of them, right? It's gonna run this. What is it gonna run? It's gonna run that particular thing. It's gonna figure out who am I, which is the response Eric, and it's gonna go to home eric.config ArcoDWM, make -b and sudo make install. And I think the B was something about man make -b, big B, not a small b, big B, always make conditionally, make all targets. So I'm actually thinking of changing this. Or not. What we do normally is make clean first, and then make, and then sudo make install. I'll think about it if I'll gonna change it or not, but it has been working for the last year, so why change a winning team, right? That's one of the ideas. So voila, now you know something had changed to DWM. And maybe a quick tip, I don't know if this is my problem only or it is your problem as well, but VirtualBox became a little bit strange, couldn't click things. And what I've done is go into the settings, and from now on I'll activate enable 3D acceleration all the time. Used to do that only with Plasma and Wayland things. Now it's all the time, even on DWM I had to do it. So maybe that's something that is interesting for you to know. Not sure, like I said, if it's my problem here or if you're experiencing something exactly the same, right? So try that. All right, a pacman hook has changed, and maybe it's time to investigate a little bit more. What is this pacman hook? Can I make it as a user? Sure, you can make it as a user. So have a look and play with it. Cheers.